afternoon to all of you. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing good as well. And you're protected from COVID. Children, there's a small announcement that is to be made. A very small announcement that, as you all know, parents are requested that the online portal is open for the fee payment. Those parents who have not submitted their fee for the April to September session, they can pay the fees of the students online, and if they face any problem, they can contact the respective class teacher. Children, in today's session, as you all know from the thumbnail itself, that it is math session. In today, we will be revising whatever we have studied. So, children, you will in today's session we will take up certain questions. We will try to solve them, and once we solve them, this is basically a form of revision for you. Good afternoon to all of you, children. I see many students being online. Pratnesh Kaple, Ishmita, Meena, Jatin Parmar, Krisha Bhatt. Good afternoon to all of you children, all of you, Bhavesh Yadav, Aparna Singh, Savita Gudara, Riddhi Rakhani, Ekta Saini, Ayushi Dikshit, Kusum Galva, Dakshita. Actually, you're not that late. At times, it happens that the class starts a bit late. Now, children, let us start with certain questions. And so I will mention the topic here, the name of the chapter. First, we will start revising the chapter half and quarter. Okay, children? So, children, this is your class work. Okay? I don't want you to write it in the notebook, but I want you to take a rough notebook with you and find the answers to the questions that I give. Please, I want responses from all the students. Okay, you have to find the solution to the questions that I am giving now. Okay. And orange. I'll start with the apple. And apple. And apple was cut into 16 pieces. Amol got 1/4 of the apple. How many now we can put it up and how many pieces did he get? Now, students, this question is in front of you. Please do the solution. Please find the solution to this problem. I will read the question for you. Was cut into 16 pieces. Amol got 1/4 of the apple. There was one apple. Who is ready to? Amol is. How many pieces? Apple was cut into pieces. Amol got. So this person Amol, what did he do? He cut apple into 16 pieces. And it is given that Amol got 1/4 of the apple. Now the question is, how many pieces seconds to find the answer, children. Okay, children. Now, children, as it is given in the question, there was one apple. It was cut into total 16 pieces. Amol got one fourth of the apple. Okay. How many pieces did he get? Now, children, if you see the apple, now the total pieces were total pieces. The apple cut into it was 16 pieces, right? And Amol got the share got by Amol. Share got by Amol was 1 by 4. Amol got 1 by 4 of the total pieces, right? Now, children, if I have to find the number of pieces, Amol got, that will be 1/4 of, always remember children, of implies multiplication. Of implies multiplication, 1/4 of total pieces, right? Because it is given in the statement Amol got 1/4 of the apple gives us the clue that we have to find 1/4 part of 16 pieces. That gives me 4 ones are 4, 4 4s are 16. So the total pieces that Amol got were 4. So he got 4 pieces. I hope this question is clear to you, children. Let us move. Is there anyone who has a doubt in this question? Can you read the question one more time? Okay, Aparna, I will read it for you. An apple was cut into 16 pieces. An apple, there was one apple which was cut into 16 pieces, and Amol got 1/4 of the apple. Amol got 1/4 of the apple. How many pieces did he get? How many pieces did he get? So Aparna, I hope the question is clear to you. And if you want, okay, let me explain you the solution also again because you did not understand the question. आपको question ही समझ में आया था. Total pieces जो अमोल के पास हुए, total pieces of apple which were there with Amol was 16. And it is mentioned very specifically in the question. It can be identified from the statement. Amol got 1/4 of the apple. So the share of Amol was 1/4. So you have to find 1/4 of the apple. If you find 1/4 of the apple, you will know how many pieces did Amol get. So 1/4 of 16. 4 ones are 4. 1 by 4 of 16 means multiplied with 16. And 1/4 of 16 means, so 1 into 16, you can always by 4. That means 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Okay, students, let's move to the next question. Second question. Ram had Ram had 24 balloons. Ram had 24 balloons. He gave 4 balloons. He gave 4 balloons to Pihu. He gave 4 balloons to Pihu. Therefore, Ram gave dash part of balloon to pink. Question asks you, the question gives you the following information children. Ram had 24 balloons. उसके राम के पास कितने balloons थे? 24 balloons. He, that means Ram gave 4 balloons to Pihu. उसने क्या किया? Pihu को 4 balloons दे दिए. Therefore, Ram gave dash part of balloons to Pihu. Therefore, Ram gave dash part of balloons to Pihu. Now we have to find the fraction of balloons that was given by Ram to Pihu, right? So already कितने balloons थे children? There were 24 balloons. कितने balloons थे? सबसे पहले राम के पास थे. Ram had 24 balloons. These are the total balloons, right? And then उसमें से 4 balloons were given to Pihu, right? So these राम के पास में कितने balloons थे? राम के पास में 24 balloons थे. Pihu को कितने मिले? Pihu को कितने मिले? Pihu को कितने मिले? Pihu को 4 balloons मिले. Right? So whenever children we have to find the share, the fraction, right? Whenever we have to find the fraction, हम क्या करते हैं? Now we have to find the fraction with Pihu, right? The fraction of balloons with Pihu. So how will we find the fraction of balloons with Pihu? Pihu को कितने balloons मिले? उसको मिले 4. उसको मिले 4. और total balloons कितने थे? It was 24. 4 balloons मिले कितने में से? 24 में से. 4 balloons मिले कितने में से? 24 में से. And 24 is the total balloon, right? तो इस तरह से आप हमेशा fraction पता कर सकते हैं. Always remember children, whenever you have to find a fraction, you should always say जितने भी आपको क्वांटिटी मिली हुई है उसे न्यूमरेटर में रखेंगे और जितना भी टोटल होगा उसे डिनोमिनेटर में रखेंगे टू फाइंड द फ्रैक्शन. नाउ चिल्ड्रन 4/24. Yes, many of you have come up with the answer. 4 1 the 4, 4 6 the 24. तो ये हो गया 1/6. तो इसका आंसर होगा 1/6 of balloons were given to people. Good children, you have studied the topic well. Coming to the next question. If half of watermelon costs rupees, if half of watermelon costs rupees 20, the full watermelon will cost rupees. The full watermelon will cost rupees dash. Himani, it's okay, बच्चे, if you are late in the class, we are having a revision of what we have learned in the previous three chapters that were taken up with you, that is halves and quarters, tables and shares, patterns, to respond with the answers. Okay, children, let me explain you the question. If half watermelon costs rupees 20, if half of watermelon costs rupees 20, the full watermelon will cost rupees dash. Right? Divide कर देती हूँ. मैं एक शॉपकीपर के पास में गई. मेरे लिए फुल वाटरमेलन खाना बहुत मुश्किल था. मैंने उसको बोला कि भैया जी आप मुझे आधा वाटरमेलन दे दो. आधा वाटरमेलन तो मैं खा सकती हूँ. ठीक है. तो ही व्हाट डिड ही डू, ही कट दैट वाटरमेलन इनटू हाफ. और भैया जी ने मुझे क्या बोला कि मैडम ले जाओ, मैडम वाटरमेलन ले जाओ आप, लेकिन आप मुझे आधा वाटरमेलन के लिए कितने पैसे दोगे? यू विल गिव मी 20 रुपीज. अब ये बताओ कि अगर आधा वाटरमेलन है उसके लिए मेरे को 20 रुपीज पे करना है, तो अगर मैं फुल वाटरमेलन लूंगी तो हाउ मच विल इट कॉस्ट, हाउ मच विल इट कॉस्ट मी? Now, half watermelon, half watermelon जो है, what is the cost of half melon? Half watermelon, it is costing me rupees 20. Here I full watermelon. Now what do I do so that I convert this half in half? I multiply it with 2. I multiply it with 2. I cancel this off. What do I get? I get 1. Okay. So full watermelon का cost कितना होगा? It will be 20 into 2. आधे वाटरमेलन का मुझे 20 रुपीज पे करना पड़ रहा है, तो फुल वाटरमेलन होगी तो हाउ मच विल आई पे? आई विल पे रुपीज 40. Okay, children, how many of you have given 40 as an answer? Wow, amazing. Riddhi, please try to refresh your YouTube ka page. Try coming on this link again. Tanvi Shergill, please try to come in the class on time. Okay, children, let's move to the next question. Now, children, another question. If water uh, is quarter of a meter cloth of rupees 30, then 3 meters, then 3 meters of the same cloth, 3 meters of the same cloth will cost rupees that. Now children, I've given you a question. Try to solve this question and get the answer. Now children, let us come up with the answer to the same. Now a quarter means 1/4 children. A quarter will always mean 1/4 of the meter cloth cost rupees 30. So 1/4 के लिए the cost is rupees 30. First we will try to find the cost of 1 meter of the cloth children so that the problem becomes easy. Now to make this 1/4 as 1, what do I do? जो भी denominator होता है ना उससे multiply कर दो. 1/4 को 1 बनाना है, multiply it with the denominator. So this will get cancelled and you will get 1, right? So on the left hand side, 1 meter is 1 meter. You will get the cost of 1 meter if you multiply it with 4. So children, whenever you multiply a number on the left hand side of the equation, you have to multiply the same number on the right hand side also. If I multiply 1/4 with 4 to make it as 1, I have to multiply the same over here also on the right hand side. So the total cost of 1 meter cloth will be 30 into 40. 4 zeros are 0. 30 into 4 children. What will it give me? 4 zeros are 0. 4 threes are 12. It will give me 120 rupees. So the cost will be rupees 120. Rupees 1 meter will be rupees 120. Okay. Now children, the question पूछ रहा है, then 3 meters of the same cloth will cost rupees what? So 3 meters, right? अगर मुझे 1 meter with 3, right? And then I have to multiply the same 3 on the other side. Rupees 120 into 3. It gives me 120 into 3. Multiply करके लिखो. 3 zeros are 0, 3 twos are 6, and 3 ones are 3, right? So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 360 rupees, the final answer. But then 3 meters of the same cloth will cost rupees 360. I hope you the process of finding the cost of 1 meter cloth, 1 मीटर का क्लॉथ हमने फाइंड किया, फिर उसके बाद में क्वेश्चन में 3 मीटर का पूछा हुआ था, तो हमने उसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. Then we get कि 3 meters का जो कॉस्ट आएगा वो आएगा 120 into 3. I hope this is clear to you children. Yes, most of you have got the answer. Correct. Now children, we will come to the chapter pattern. Play with patterns. shaded pattern. Okay. Now, children, I will write certain. I'm dividing the blackboard into. I'm writing certain patterns on the board. You will continue it further. Okay. Children, you will tell me what will come next in the pattern. Okay? Machi, you're growing wrong. Aparna, Riddhi, you're going wrong. आपने फर्स्ट पैटर्न गलत इंटरप्रेट किया है. Now, children, now you can see this pattern very clearly. It is an alphanumeric pattern, children. Now, अगर आप देखो इसे पहले जो दो है these are alphabet और उसके साथ में एक नंबर प्लेस किया गया है. तो सबसे पहले आप ना लेटर्स को देखो. लेटर ए बी, फिर बी वाला जो लेटर आया है ना उसको छोड़ा नहीं गया है, उसको भी यहाँ पे कंटिन्यू किया गया है और जो नेक्स्ट लेटर्स है वो लिखे हैं ए बी बी सी देन सी डी. राइट, जो लेटर यहाँ पे था उसे छोड़ा नहीं हमने, हम डी कंटिन्यू इन द नेक्स्ट पैटर्न. राइट, तो हम यहाँ पे डी आ रहा है, डी को भी नहीं छोड़ेंगे क्योंकि राइट द नेक्स्ट टू लेटर्स स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम डी. So here E will come. Now looking at the when we observe here, we see that the numbers are in decreasing fashion. 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay. Now children, if you see this pattern clearly, A, B, C, D. This is also alphanumeric pattern, and that letter is followed by a number A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So the next letter that comes is E. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? We see that the numbers are increasing. So here 5 will. Okay. Now triple 1, triple 2, triple 3. What is the pattern that we see, children? That the consecutive digits, that the consecutive numbers are repeated 3 times, starting from 1, triple 1, triple 2, triple 3. So the next number that will come will be triple 4. Okay. Children, coming to the next pattern, 123, 223, 423. Sorry, children, there's a mistake. It will be 323 only. We see that the consecutive numbers are increasing by 100, right? 4 to you, children. Now coming to the next question, children. Coming to the next question, children. Now, children, you have to tell me. This is these questions are from your coding and decoding. The topic coding and decoding. Apple, if apple, if apple is written as, अगर मैं apple को B double Q M F लिख रही हूँ. If apple is written as B double Q M F, how will I write orange? How will I write orange? Please give me the answer, children. How will you write orange? Are you able to mark the pattern that is followed here? Decode it, children. How are the alphabets being placed? How B is placed for A? Observe here that जो भी place value होती है, like the place value of 1 is A is 1, P is 16, L is 12, E is 5, B is 2, Q is 17, again 17, 13, and F is 6. We see that we are adding 1 to the place value of each letter. Now, how will you write orange? How will you write orange? Now, you just have to move ahead one by one letter. Okay? So, MNOP, R, PQR, S. What comes after A? B. N के बाद O, G के बाद H, E के बाद F. I hope this is clear to you, children. We are just moving one step ahead from the current position of the letter. जो भी current letter है उससे just एक step ahead move करके जो भी letter आ रहा है वही हम letter use कर रहे हैं to create a secret message. Now, children, coming to the next chapter that I have to discuss with you, that is tables and share. That is the current chapter that is being taken for you. Tables and share. Okay. The first question for you is, if if 10 legs mean 5 cats, if 10 legs mean 5 cats, then 16 legs mean 16 legs mean dash cats. Okay, I hope you understood the question well, children. If there are 5 cats, there will be 10 legs. If 10 legs means 5 cats, अगर आप count करते हो legs को, 10 legs will mean 5 cats. Then 16 legs mean that number of cats. How will you solve this question, children? Now they have given that 10 legs means 5 cats. So can we find how many legs will one cat have? So 10 divided by 5 is equal to 1 cat. So एक cat, अगर 5 cat के पास में 10 legs हैं, तो 1 cat will have how many? 1, 2. 1 cat will have 2 legs, right? So 16 legs means how many cats? 16 legs means how many cats? So हमने टोटल लिया 16 legs. Okay, we know that each cat has 2 legs. We know that each cat has 2 legs. So each cat has 2 legs. Multiplied the number of cats is going to give you the total number of legs. We always remember that total comes with a multiplication of two things. We know that each cat is having 2 legs. So the number, what we are not able to, what we have to find is number of cats. We have to find is number of cats. So how will you find number of cats? 16 legs will be 16 will be equal to dash into 2. Dash into 2. We know that 2 into 8 gives me 16. 2 into 8 gives me 16. So this 8 will specify number of cats. So here we got the answer that 16 legs will mean 8 cats. Children, coming to the next. I hope this question is clear to you, children. Is there anyone who is having doubt with this question? Okay. Now, write another question. Starting from 0, a rabbit jumps, a rabbit jumps, a rabbit jumps 4 steps. He takes dash jump. He takes dash jump to reach 32. He takes dash number of jumps to reach 32. Now children, what is it given? That the rabbit takes 4 steps at a time. That means when we take 2 points A and B, okay, he will take 4 steps. He will take 4 steps in one jump. Okay, the rabbit jumps 4 steps. This will be considered as one jump. In one jump, he takes 4 steps, right? 1, 2, 3, and when he reaches B, it is 4 steps. So in 4 steps, this is the starting point. So he takes 4 jumps at a time. He takes 4 jumps at a time. He takes 4 steps in one jump. He takes 4 steps in one jump, and he takes 4 steps in how many jumps he will take to reach the number 32? How many jumps will he take to reach 32? Now this 32 number will indicate the total steps that the rabbit has to take, right? This is the total steps that he will have to take. Now children, number of jumps into steps in one jump. Steps in one jump, right? This is the whole thing. Total is made up by two things, number of jumps and steps in one jump. So we have to find this कि भाई आप वो जो rabbit है वो कितने jumps में 32 पे reach करेगा. Now we know that in every jump he takes 4 steps. He takes 4 steps, right? अगर 4 steps लेगा है one jump में to make 32. To reach 32, he has to take how many jumps? He will take 8 jumps. He will take 4 into 8 gives 32. Or you can also do it like 32 divided by 4. 32 when divided by 4, children 4. Okay children, we are good enough for today's session. I hope every question that was taken up in this session is absolutely clear to you children. And if you have any doubts, you can just WhatsApp me the question you have doubt in, and you can ask me the same in the next session also. Children, thank you and good day ahead. Please protect yourself amid COVID. Wear a mask, use soap water to wash your hands, and avoid going to public places. It's essential that you and your family is protected from COVID. Thank you, children.